Good morning. Form 2020 Form 4562, Depreciation and Amortization, Part 3. Lease properties. A lease property is a property that can be used for both business and personal. It is, the lease of those properties that are originally meant to be used for personal, but they can be used in your business, and they include vehicles 6,000 pounds or under, pretty much passenger vehicles up to 6,000 pounds, motorcycles, SUV, pickup truck, and in the same list you have video equipment and photographic equipment. So anything you can use in entertainment for personal use and you can use it for business use is in the list for property, a leased property. And on Form 4562, listed property is at the bottom, part 5, and sometimes you even have to complete part 5 before you complete part 1. So if you have any listed property that you place in your business in the current year, then you will complete part 5 before you complete part 1. But in our video series, we will be going in pretty much from the top to the bottom. But let's talk a little bit about listed properties. In the list, they include automobiles, certain other vehicles, we talk about that, certain aircraft, and properties used for entertainment, recreation, and amusement. So we have videos, equipments, and photo equipments. Okay. Properties that are not listed properties. A property that can be used for personal use and business use, if you use it exclusively in your business and you keep it in your business office, it is not a listed property. Excuse me. So a video and a photo equipment that you use exclusively for your business and you keep it in your business establishment, it is not a listed property. So computers you use only for business is not a listed property. Vehicle you use for business only is not a listed property. So if you work from home and you have a home office and you use that space just for your business, it is your business establishment. So any equipment that you use that can qualify for a leased property can be used for personal and business, but you use it just for your business and you keep it in your home office, it is not a listed property. So if you have, just like this computer for instance, it is a computer, a laptop you can use for personal and for business. So if you are using your laptop for personal and for business, then that's a listed property. But for this instance, this computer is just for business and I keep it in my business office, and the business office, my home office, is just for business. Therefore, it is not a listed property. When I depreciate it, I didn't claim section 179 on it. And when I depreciate it, I fully depreciate the cost of it. I didn't have to split it between personal use and business use. So if you are using a property that can be classified as a lease property, but you are using 100% for business and you keep it in your business office, then it's not a lease property. You do now complete 5 lease property sessions for it. For the year you put in business, you could either claim Section 179 deduction to fully expense it or expense part of it. You could claim special depreciation allowance if qualified. And between the two, you could fully recover the cost of the assets in the first year, or you could depreciate a part of it or just depreciate. In my example, I do not claim Section 179. I do not elect not to claim special depreciation allowance. I just use the modified accelerated cost recovery system. I like to call it MAX depreciation, to just recover the cost of the assets over its useful life in the business. So I use Part 3 of Form 45-62, and I have my reasons. So if you have your business and you are generating a lot of profits and you want to lower your taxable income, and you place assets in your business that are qualified for Section 179, you could use Part 1 to claim it. If you use it for personal and business, then you have to use Part 5, listed property, to start before you come to Section 179, because Section 179, you'll only claim it on the business portion of it. You could also claim a special depreciation allowance. We'll come to that. On some assets, it's 50% of the cost. But if your business is young and you are not generating a lot of profits, you might just be better off depreciating it over its cost of life in your business. Because if you claim Section 179, you might have to have carryover to carry year after year. So it's something to keep in mind as well, and do your calculation on what is good for your business. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to our podcast, and thank you for reading our articles. We'll have the description as articles on ninasoap.com, our blog, and we'll have a category, how to depreciate a business asset, where you can find all those articles about depreciating your business assets. We'll also have a playlist, 2020 Form 45-62 Depreciation and Amortization, where we'll have all the videos to address Form 45-62, how to complete it. And we'll be making short video to address different topics that we want to cover in this relate to Form 45-62. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Afiavi, Liberman, creators of Lebanon Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel, Lebanon Consulting L.L.C. podcast, ninasoap.com, our blog, where you could find free downloadable products to use to manage your money or manage your business, and you can access them without joining our email list. They are free to access. No email is required. And we have our online stores, including natural product, ninassoap.com, custom apparels, label.com, digital products, download.com, and resell household products, outlets.com. Thank you.